Hope you're good and watching my video with Notch's Tea. Today we are doing Milk Magic, the science project. Let's do it. Let's start to do it. For it, you need milk dish, like this, like a bowl dish. Then the milk, I have put the milk in this like a bowl dish. Then you need some earbuds. Then you need some dish soap, red, anything color dish soap, and food colors. Red, yellow, blue. Put 2 food color drops in the milk. First, red. We put now yellow. The blue. I have added the dish soap on the earbud. Now I will just touch and look what happens. Look! The colors are moving away. It looks awesome. Are you having fun looking it? Wow! Now let's take more. Look! It is awesome, no? Mixing together. And we can see orange, green, violet. How? Because when we take blue and yellow, so it makes green. When we take blue and red, then it goes purple.
Wow, volcano, color volcano.
See the magic. Why it happens like this? Now let's know that milk is made up with proteins and fats molecules. Then we add dish soap in the milk, so the milk bond gets broke and the milk sort to make a new bond with the dish soap. That's it. Hence this magic happens. Hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe. Parents, subscribe. Parents, share to your friends. See you at next time.